She always barks at the UPS guy. Come on, Bendy, Bendy! Bendy, this way! Come on! Come on! Come on, Bendy! Come here! Turn your sled around.
Okay.
See if she'll bring you back. Hurry up and get on it, because she'll feel the lightness of the weight and she'll take off. Put her back on the snow. Get on. Come on. Maybe she can't get going again after losing her, her momentum. There you go. It's like the flume.
I can stand up and go.
Sorry. Wow, stop just in time. There's my feet. There's the sled. Go. Where is that Hayden? Where is that kid? Where's that nephew of mine? Where is Hayden? Oh, there he is. Let's go. She pulled Hayden halfway to Ferris. I'm doing it on my camera. Want to see that video?
Yeah.